What's up, RAF gang? It's RAF in the RAFCAVE. Welcome back to another video. So happy PlayStation 5 launch day to you guys. Hope you're enjoying your new system, getting it all set up, getting the games downloaded on there, and enjoying the sweet, sweet, powerful PlayStation graphics you're going to get with this beast. So this video here, now we already did the unboxing and setup video. Make sure you check it out on my channel. Now we're going to install the disk drive, and we're going to install the brand new SSD 4TB Samsung 990 into this beast to megafy this console. All the games we're going to put on here is going to be fantastic. So disk drive, pretty simple. You know, you got to take off the plate underneath it, slap it on, and then this also take the little plate off, put it in, blah, 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 put it back together, plug it in, boom. It's going to work fine, right? So without further ado, guys, hit that like button, subscribe. Thank you for watching my videos, and let's get to it right now. Okay, guys, so what you want to do first, I believe, now is flip this upside down. Like so. And then we're going to take off the back part here. Like that. Okay, pretty crunchy. A couple pieces of plastic here. And then, of course, this side for the SSD. So same thing. That was much easier. Thank you very much. Good Lord. All right. So unfortunately, right, we can't take the plates off the Slim and put them on here. So companies, get cracking. Make these plates. All right, guys, here it is. Console's brand new. Looks fantastic. We got a connector here for the disk drive. And, of course, the SSD cover is there. So let's get this unblocked right now. And guys, you know what time it is. Black pin. I bought this months ago. This thing was very hard to get for a while. All right. So just like the PS5 Pro box, same kind of thing. So let gravity work on your side. Let it fall out here. And yeah, it's a little flap here. And we got some stuff in here. Look at all that stuff. We got the books. We got the plate. We got the drive. Good packaging for the drive. It's nice and centered there. In case there's any bumps and stuff on the road. That slides out. Now, supposedly there's some new horizontal brackets for this. I don't see them. Since this is going to make the console a little bigger. So here it is, guys. Let's see, this was made in China. So I guess you just kind of line up these little feet here, right where the arrows are. And then, right, this little connector, boom. And it should fall into place. Like so. Very nice. Okay, locked in. Good. And here's the plate. All right, looks good. And then this will snap in as well. Find the grooves. Now let's go this way first. Yay, nay, no. No, I don't like it that way. What, do you want to go back here first? Maybe it goes back first. Yep. Okay, so the back goes first and then you lay it down. Click. All right. Yep, it's in there. Okay, let's look for those new feet. I thought those new feet were supposed to be in here. Doesn't seem like it. Yes, they are. Fantastic. Whew. Look at these little buggers. Yes, so now these are bigger feet. So maybe we can take out the original from the console and put in the extended ones. Right, and these have the little rubber feet there. And they slide in right to these little holes here. Boom. And like that. Beautiful. All right. So that's done. And now upgrade the memory. Screwdriver here. Carefully unscrew this cover screw. Okay, nice long screw. Oh, baby. And they give you the screw for the SSD, which is great. All right, guys. And that. And this is supposedly the fastest and best memory for the PS5 Pro. Oh, that's so beautiful. Oh, that's so beautiful. Look at that red accent in there. And this has the built-in heat sinks. It's very important. There it is. All right. $9.90. So you want to put this in kind of side at a diagonal till it fits in, and then you lay it down like so. And that's a perfect size. So you take this screw out here that's already ready for you. Awesome. Long screw. And it looks like there's a little washer here. So don't forget the little washer. That goes underneath. Yeah, it's always helpful to use a magnetic screwdriver. All right, so you want to lay that little washer right there first. Lay the memory on top so it's nice and level. And then put the screw back. There we go. Boom. Awesome. There it is, guys. 4 terabytes of extra memory. And then put the cover back in. Lay that down. Screw. Tighten that up. What was that? Oh, thank goodness. Little tiny rubber thing fell off of my screwdriver and almost went inside the fan area. You kidding me? Okay. Make sure it doesn't vibrate. Perfect. And now we'll put the plate back on. And let's see. See, what I like to see is these teeth kind of go that way and those teeth are kind of straight down. So it looks like this goes in first into those grooves, and then you just lay it down flat and snap it in, I think. Doesn't really snap in there, I guess. All right. Oh, hey, nice to snap you. Okay. Woo. All right, let's flip cameras, guys. Wow, now that looks like a console. That looks like a console. the disk drive in there, the larger feet. It is full. Oh, that's a beautiful console. Look at that. It's full. So eventually, guys, when companies get out there and measure this, they're going to make some amazing plates with LED lights, which I'll get. And then some company will come out with a horizontal holder here for it. So that'll go in there really nicely. So, all right, I'm going to plug this in, turn on the system, and then make sure that everything's good. And we'll check the memory of that SSD. So I'll be right back. All right, guys, we just turned on the console, and it says you need to format the SSD, which we will definitely do because it's brand new. Boom, format, baby. M2 SSD storage, formatting those glorious 4 terabytes of space. Ooh, baby. Read speed is at 6707. That's pretty good, I think. That's pretty good. Been formatted. Change where your games are installed. Setting storage. Yep, we got to do that. Okay. Rebuilding database. Updating your disk drive. There you go, guys. So it updates after you install it, not before. So you can put in your disk drive in the very beginning if you want. But, you know, it is what it is. Whatever. To use your disk drive, register it to your PS5. Register it. Okay. Register. You can now use your disk drive with PS5. Sweet. Yep, memory. Ooh, look at that glorious PS5 loading up, guys. The RAFCAVE, welcome back. What's my options? Okay. All right. The RAFCAVE. Oh, here we go. I gotta do this every time, really. Boom. Look at that. Beautiful PS5 right there. Okay, so let's go to settings, and we're going to go to storage, and we are going to make sure. So console storage is at 183 free. That's amazing. M2, look at that. 4 terabytes. 4 terabytes are free, guys. Like normally you got a little bit already used up, you know what I mean? So it's like 3.86 you use. But this is actually a full 4 terabytes, dude. That's amazing. And then I have my my USB, which holds a lot of my PS4 games. And I got 1 3 terabyte space left there. Installation, location. Yep. PS5 games and apps. M2. Perfect. It already knows exactly where I want to put my games. So that's amazing. All right, so I have no games, right? So we want to go to your game library and go to your collection and just start it, baby. Just start it. Chaos Reigns. Download. Install options. What do you mean? Install options. I want it all, baby. Give it to me. Install. Sweet. All right, guys. So that's it. Thanks for watching this video. Hope it was informative to you, so you know what to do when you get your PS5 Pro soon. And happy downloading to you guys, and happy gaming. And check me out on my live streams, 4K 60 on this beast later. Thanks for watching, guys. Hit that like button, subscribe. Home theater rules. Raph out. See you guys.